Today I'll tell you the story of the elephant and the ant. Once upon a time, there was a big forest. In the end, the elephant and the ant lived in a forest. Every morning, the ant family go far and search for food. Pooh. The elephant was the emperor. He troubled small. He poured water on animals and ran over the ants. The ants got angry. The elephant said to the elephant, he said, "You should not get paid to..." The elephant said to the elephant, he said, "You should not get paid to others." So the elephant became angry. He said, "Keep quiet, or I shall crush you to death." The elephant, the ant becomes sad. Then it grabbed into the trunk, into an elephant trunk silently. The elephant became this. He let this. He tried to bring the ant out, but the ant did not come out. How you can feel pain that you give to others? The elephant realized and did not say, "I'm sorry, I will never do again." The ant took his pity on his head and came out from his trunk. The elephant became happy and said, "Thank you for my friend." Then the elephant went back to his group, and the ant returned to his family. Done. Now, what's the moral of the story? The moral of the story. The moral of the story is we should never tease anyone. Thank you.